Hey you guys, welcome back to another video here at Charlotte Douglas International Airport. This is part 2. If you look right there, you have yourself an American Airlines Airbus A321. JetBlue was here. They took off. And so JetBlue, after that Breeze landed, that Breeze A320, we're gonna watch Breeze take off. Alrighty, so there you go. Right there. An American Airlines Airbus A321. Okay, so we're gonna wait on the Breeze Airways flight. I came in from Dulles, so he's behind the Southwest flight right now. I don't know where he is, but he stepped behind the Southwest flight. So, no. Alrighty. No one's going currently, but we are about to have an arrival. If anything goes, I'm pretty sure it's going to be American or Southwest. Not Breeze yet. Hey G, you got yourself an arrival over there. Got yourself an arrival over there. Pretty smooth, if you ask me. Pretty smooth, if you ask me. There goes his CRJ 900. Where's Breeze? He's still stuck.
Number 4.
In line?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Looks like they have a drought here.
It's just so clay dirt.
It's like red clay, dirt-ish. A blah, blah, blah. American Eagle. E170 something, or E170 or E175, operated by Envoy. So bye. Here goes American Eagle. We're just waiting on Breeze.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Alright, so American Eagle, Embraer E145, E145. Are we gonna leave at 4?
Around 4.
Can we at least wait some?
Southwest is in front of it.
I'm assuming Dad would get Owen the battle pass tomorrow, you know?
I don't know.
I don't
I'm
want
tired
the
of
battle
hearing
pass. Is that Gulfstream? That's a private jet.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a Gulfstream, I think.
Oh, picture?
I'm filming right now.
Oh.
I got a Gulfstream on camera,
You know,
you
while
guys.
you're filming, though, you can take a picture.
Actually, it looks like Breeze is going to go first.
Well, that's what I thought you were talking about going this way.
I thought it was Southwest.
I thought Southwest was behind.
I thought Southwest.
Well, then.
Okay, then
It's trash. You gotta pick it up.
Thank you for picking up the trash.
Hashtag stop littering. I'm racing against time for Breeze.
South Bend, right?
You know when LDF in Grace is a VOR? Mine's more expensive. Mine's more expensive because mine's rarer. What? What? Who?
Let me tell you. Have you ever heard of this thing called icebound Midas?
Rose Mountain. After this, I'm gonna take you guys with me onto the playground before we leave. It's my PT-2. I've seen UPS here before. I just need to see FedEx. Is that it? I can't tell if it's American. Excuse me. Caution, caution. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Where do you want to go now? Direct fishing. Airship 3341 heavy, stay down roll like time. FC direct fishing, maintain 11000.
So an LEF is a VOR in Greece. I don't even hear. Oh,
Rolling down the taxiway.
that's the runway.
Whatever.
My very first.
Maintain 16,000 for my heading 320. 320 heading 16,000, right? 238. You can fly heading, actually, came out, hold on a second.
Is that me? I'm sorry.
How many pictures you get?
No matter what comes down.
Some of them are bad.
I like that.
That's bad.
Yeah,
Well, it was moving.
I like that. 777. Guys, there's a 777 right there.
All I have to wait is 14 more days and then I can, you know,
We just saw my very first A220. Okay. Sorry, you guys, talking to my mom. Yep. We just saw one of the very first Airbus A220 to fly into Charlotte. Apparently, Virgin Atlantic's going to be flying into Charlotte. It's May now, honey. It hasn't happened. And Air Canada might start flying their A220s down here. I'm going to double check that. I will be right back, you guys.